Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 77 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today, we're going to be getting really tricky with exercises 118 and 119 on the exercises for 8 notes.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So the harder things get, the slower I like to take it, just so you can really make sure that you're getting these notes accurately. These ones are particularly difficult because we have that jump up to a fourth, and then we come down to the third, back up to the fourth, then all the way down to the tonic. So that one is just a little bit tricky, so make sure you know where you're going and don't accidentally sing the tonic instead of the second. And here is exercise 118. Exercise 119.